Yo, what's good everybody? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a pretty cool green triangle slack that I made. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. As you can see, it's a nice, quick, easy trick for you today. Few things for you into this video, using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And happy Easter everybody, I guess. So yeah. To start off this trick, you're going to roll straight into a Houdini mount, which is like your double or nothing, but your thumb is in the mount instead of your index finger. From here, you're going to pinch with your index and pointer on your throw hand to create this nice slack, right? So you're just taking your non-throw hand thumb out, and you should have this slack. Now, with this slack, what you're going to want to do is swing it over once, like so. And then go to swing it over twice, but as you swing it over twice, you're trying to hit the slack off your throw hand like so. Now from here, you want to be very careful. So the string that you want to engage with the front of the yo-yo is this string connected to your middle finger, and you want to get it so that it goes behind the yo-yo like so, and that is, or in front even, and that's what creates the green triangle. 'Cause I'll be with you Right, so like that. From here, you're going to roll over your thumb like so, and then drop this slack off the front of the yo-yo. Then you can just do a little tiny roll, and if you do it correctly, you'll be in a green triangle. If you do it incorrectly, you'll just be in an open mount, as you just saw. So bang, bang, drop, and then green triangle. Now this green triangle will pop from the back, and after that, you're free to bind. That is the whole trick. I know this one's quite a quick and easy trick. Sorry I don't have a lot of time to film these because of my GCSEs. But anyway, yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you. Houdini mount, pinch and slack, whip over into the gap of the yo-yo, roll over, drop the slack, and then green triangle, and then you combined. So yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Hope you liked it. If you've got any comments or questions, reach out to my Instagram at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo. Otherwise, yeah, peace. Yo, what's good everybody? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a pretty cool green triangle slack. Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까? 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어. 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어. Barefoot, barefoot, take off your shoes and step in the bed.